A student doing a chemistry experiment has a beaker that contains 75 milliliters of an alcohol and water solution. The lab directions indicate that there is 4 times as much water as alcohol in the solution. How many milliliters of alcohol are in the solution, and then how many milliliters of water are in the solution? From this, we got 2 things that are in this beaker, and we know how much is in the beaker as well. So we're going to put 2 things in the beaker. First, we're going to look at alcohol. And yes, I have to check just to make sure I'm spelling it right. We got alcohol, and then water. I can usually spell that on my own, but not always. Okay, so alcohol and water that are in the container, beaker. Okay, so this would be total amount of mixture, solution. Okay, whatever. So if you were to take those 2, alcohol and water, and add them together, you would have the total amount of solution. And in the problem, they say that it's going to have a total of 75 milliliters of solution, alcohol and water solution. So that 75 goes where the total is, right there. So we know that's what it's going to equal. And at this point, it says the lab directions indicate that there are 4 times as much water as alcohol. So I would translate that, not that you have to, but that's 4 times as much water. So 4 times as much alcohol. I read that wrong. 4 times as much water as alcohol. So yeah, you'd have to take 4 times the alcohol. That's how much water you're going to have. Okay, so water is going to be the same as this 4 alcohol over here. So I'm not going to put a W in there. And then the A for the actual alcohol content. So this becomes the equation for us to solve. We're going to make that 1A plus 4 A's. So that's going to be total A's, 1 plus 4. 5 A's. That's going to equal to 75 milliliters. So if you took 5 parts alcohol, you'd have 75 milliliters. Now divide both sides. This is for A by 5. So skipping some of that long division there, A, 15 milliliters. So alcohol content in this beaker, 15 milliliters. And then for the alcohol or the water solution, we're going to take the total amount, which was 75. And we're just going to take away the alcohol content. So that'd be 60 milliliters of water. Or you could have done 4 times the 15 to get the water content, and that's still going to be 60.